So welcome back, bro. Today we're just going to do some stuff. I want to talk about HTML links, HTML tables, HTML lists, and okay. First of all, let us talk about HTML link. Now, when I talk about HTML link, it talks about a link that is clickable. That is when you click a link and can basically redirect you to someone to another place here and there. So I think we talk about the link. Now, how to do that? We have already discussed about the link. So which is this already. We have already discussed that. So this is the link tab. No need to explain more on that again. So on that thing, let's talk about HTML list. How do you list an items in your website? Now, to do that is that this you very short, very small. This 6 to 7 minutes we are done. So now let's talk about the HTML list. Now, to list an items in your website, we use ordered and unordered list. So I will come in by saying h4 types of cars. So come here, I will use ul. So ul means unordered lists. So I will say li. So li means type of cars. Let us say Venza or Benz. Then we'll come here, we'll list the items again. Then we'll say li. Then we'll say Volvo. Okay, so I will save this and I'm going to put this in the live server. So I'm going to put this in the live server. It's opening. So there are various ways where you can list an items in your website. We use ordered and unordered list. So it's opening. So there's it. So we have several list and items here, which is Benz and Volvo. Don't know if you get my point. Benz and Volvo. Then the other way is through ordered lists. Ordered. Now I'm going to come outside here by saying OL. OL means ordered list. Ordered. So I'm going to copy this to avoid wasting time. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it in between the ordered list. So I'm going to Ctrl V. So I will save this. Just know the differences. All that means that they are listed in numbers 1, 2. Another means that they are not listed in numbers, which is unordered. But same goes on with issue CSS. We call them list style type. List style types over. You can also list an items using the Roman figure, using the Greek, or even using the Latins. So this is one of the ways you can list an item. This is how you list an items in your website. Now let us talk about tables. Now just give me some few minutes. Let me get some stuff. Come in. Okay, I'm back. Now, how do you create tables? Now, what I mean by tables means that you know what tables are. So means that you are listing an items in a table. Now, how do you do that? Let us list an items in a table. So we use the table tag. So in the table, in here, there is the table tag. So now, first of all, use the table tag. Then inside the table, you get t head. Now, t head means that the table head. So in between the table head, I will come in. I will say th. Th is there. It means that the table head is the table head. So it's the th is the tag that I use to list the item, the table head. So now let us say countries. I will come here again. Declare th. I will say states. Don't forget about now. So now just watch. I save this. Then I'll view this. So something like this, countries and states. So in here I'm going to come here. So outside the table head, I'm going to say tr, which is for one of table row. So we're going to list some countries using td. So td is the countries. Let us say France. Then the states, td. The state, let us say Paris. So I save this, then I refresh. So which is for one of this. Don't think I put. So now which is France and Paris. Then I'm going to come again and basically I will list another items. Now let me just copy this to avoid wasting time. So I copy this, then I come here. Inside the table I paste. So I'm going to change the country, CJ to England. Change it to England, and I'm going to say London. So I'm going to save this. Just watch. I know it now. Give you something like this. Just give me a few minutes. I'm changing something. Okay, so I'm back. So sorry for that. I'm just trying to do some stuff in the kitchen. So now this is the table. We are creating a table now, but it does not make sense in the sense that we haven't created a table. There's a line, there's a horizontal line and a vertical line. So I'm going to come in. How do we do that? We come in between this where the table is, which is the table tag. So I'm going to come here. So I'm going to say border. I'm going to say border, and I'm going to say 2. Or let us say 3. So I will save this. Just watch what will happen. I now see it now. So it is now in table format. It is now basically in table format. So when we get to CSS, you're going to learn a lot of things which pertains to it. We are not going to rush this CSS basics. We are still on we are not going to rush this HTML basics. We are still on the HTML basics. I should stop here for today, but let me just teach you one more thing. There's something called content editable. Now when you go to a website, there's some stuff where you can edit, such as your comment section here and there. Now how would you do that? I can be able to edit this programming language here and there. So how do I do that? I come to this p tag. I will say content editable. So I'm going to say true. So when I use true means that I can be able to edit it. So I'll come here, just watch. I know it now. I can edit anything that I want to edit here. So I can say Ctrl A and type all the thing I want to type here. So when we go to JavaScript, you can be able to click on hit save and the content you save. So we use content editable. But if you change it to false, if you say content editable false, it will not change. It's a default setting already. So it means that you are telling us that you cannot change this stuff. Don't know if you can put now. So that is just how it is. So that is the beauty of what we call content editable. Tomorrow we have a lot of things to discuss. So I want to discuss HTML favicon. I want to discuss HTML block and inline, HTML IDs, HTML iframes. Hopefully by on Saturday we'll be through with HTML basics, so that by next week we'll enter how to create forms, videos, how to import videos in your website. So see you tomorrow. Thank you.